Yo, big shout out to the officers in the house, man. I've got 3 officers in the house, man. From Lagos State. Big shout out to y'all on RPM, man. Once again, yeah. All these people up in the house. 2023. I've been here for you all once again, man. You know what I'm saying? I got the big accord up in the house. There's MC up in here. Up in here with me tonight, yeah. Doing big things, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Doing big things once again up here. Somewhere into 2023, we all get together on the rock. Big shout out to Nicholas from the UK. Big shout out to Toby up in here with him. And all the kids up in here. Big shout out to you, man. Yeah, big shout out, man. I can tell the big men up in here and so, man. Big shout out to y'all, man. One, big love to y'all. Big shout out to my big man up here, D. Big T up here with me up here. Big shout out to you. Yeah, keep shining, man. Yo, big things, 2023. Let's keep doing big things, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, thank you very much, man. Everyone up in here. Let's have two fun tonight. Let's have fun tonight, man. Someone's up to the wall. Yes, let's someone up to the wall. Happy best. When you're talking about the best guy, about MC. You know what you know. You know what you know, son. Yo, man. I just got my big brother. Marvin up in here with me, man. This is the summer rhythm of the one fan up in here. Giving him a big shout out once again, yo. Yeah. I know you up in the house, like, congratulations. Respect to you, man. I'm saying one more to y'all. What? Come on, let's go. Let's pop up this place, man. Let's go mad up in here. When I see you on song, I'm singing from the materials. You know what you're doing? Nice for Tony about the best, international, and China the best. So make a Jason! So make a Jason for water. So make a Jason for let's focus on Parliament. Let's focus on Parliament tonight. And then I did my podcast. And last time we did Parliament tonight. And I'm surprised. If you hear me, I'm surprised. International Mr. Albert, Chelsea Albert, wait, Russia. International Mr. Albert tonight. Let me take this on the new steroids. Turn it off, y'all. Turn it off, y'all. I don't think they gotta be here. That lion up in the house. Legend up in the house here. Let's turn it up, DJ. Come on. Let's go. Somewhere in the world. We doing it. We doing big things. Party rock tonight. We doing big things tonight. Yes. This is Bound for the night 2023. Happy New Year to you all, y'all. Happy New Year. We're here to celebrate. We're here to celebrate the culture, man. You know what I mean?
You know me. I know you. How old are you?
We're here for fun tonight. We're here for big things. Let's go. DJ. be here, man. Up in London, man, it would be cooling right now, but y'all Johnny up in here, man. What's going on? I can see everyone talking out here. This is Akuzayo Production. 2023 Bonfire Night. I heard some artists in the house. I'm going to perform it tonight.
I said, try to make us fire. Try to make us shoot now. Now we try to make us fire. When we never hear, when we never see information right. Maybe you do the lie like a politician. Why yo, uru, tell them now who tell
let me analyze it.
They analyze you. Make una analyze you. You want to analyze you.
Alright. Thank you, Jamaica. I wrote about them guys. Jamaica. I recommend to bug up the stage, you see now. I mean, I meet at them. Who knows this stage? Me, I with Nick about them. Babylon try to break me leg. They know it. Right. Every time they are going to the field, this. No matter how they do. I think I meet from Jamaica. They are ready for them bullets. Shoot. We call it. We're gonna go down. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Everybody, so like I jump up to show my